Becker Trackers.
Hey Becker Trackers, we're here in Camrose. We're going to do some tobogganing. We had a late spring snowfall. It's above 0 Celsius. So let's go. Let's do some tobogganing, guys.
All right. Oh no.
All right, get going.
We just did this for the intro.
Little sticky. Hey guys, we're going to do this kamikaze style. Let's even get them kitties down there. Take another run at it. Snow's a little sticky, it's warm. It's above 0 Celsius. Woohoo! Coming to get ya. A little bit of a roll. You think that's funny? You little character? Whoa! Alright.
How was that Fast and Furious ride?
Oh, it's so fast. So furious. Not so fast and not so furious.
Come here.
Anton.
Okay, Kaya, let's go.
Oh, what?
Uh-oh, here goes
No. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Here, Anton, put your mitt on.
Come here. Actually, it's all 5 of us.
Okay, scooch up.
What I need you to do, Matea, is when I get you going, you take the rope.
The hardest part is getting down.
Yeah, getting flipped out is going to be
Is there a
easy.
stool?
Sledding with seniors.
There we go.
Ready?
All right.
What's going to happen at the bottom when you have to get out?
Woohoo! Oh, my. Oh, what?
Whoa!
Now can you get out? Oh, honey. Well, he made it to the bottom.
If you can't toboggan
Oh.
down the hill, you might as well run down.
Oh, now Daddy has to go pull the whole sled back up. Oh, it's taking fire though. Well,
It was a nice ride until we headed for the bale.
and tipped over.
I was trying to lean us away from it.
Oh, should we go with them?
I'll give them a...
Why don't you go with them? They need some more weight. Oh. There she goes.
Whoa.
Okay, now I can do this.
Woohoo! Oh no. He didn't go anywhere. Oh, it's gonna push you.
That's a big guy. Get Daddy though.
Are you going straight down?
Yeah.
Okay. Take a running jump part. Go. Yeah.
No, this one.
Just with you? You're gonna go by yourself?
Yeah.
You're a maniac. Maniac. There he
Ready?
goes.
You and Puppy. Here, you give him a push. Okay, I'll get him going, then I'll get you going. Okay, Mattea?
Let's have a race.
Okay, watch out.
Yeah, go. Wow! Wipe out! All right, here she goes. That little hand is a little paddle. Oh, here. You didn't need to do your workout today. Look at that big smile though. Are you having fun?
You're doing wheelies, bud.
I guess I have to go down there.
You guess you have to go down there? Well, why not? Yeah.
Go down this way? Huh?
Go down.
Are you stuck? I'll go get her.
Let's go down here, Jess.
You guess? Guess we'll go down there.
I guess we
You guess we should, huh?
want your toboggan? Let's go here.
You want me to push you down?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to go with him? Okay, Mommy's going to go with you, okay?
No, I'm going by myself.
You want to go by yourself?
Yeah.
Just a little rebel.
You are a rebel.
Please. Oh, cute. Well, let's go.
Bye, Anton.
You're running hard at that.
Uh-oh.
Stuck.
Oh, there's the other one.
Hi.
You gonna go down here now?
Yeah. Now for the ultra extreme. Yeah.
Ready?
I'll
Or
push you.
Grammy's gonna give you a push.
Oh, and maybe I'll come along with you. Go, go, go. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Should I sit on the back to give you some more weight? Sure. Okay. Let's turn this thing around. Where are we going?
Right here where I turn. Okay. Got the handle.
Are you got the handle, okay?
Do you need a hand?
I do.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just a minute.
I think we're heading right for that tree.
Yeah.
I told her more weight still.
Ready?
Yep.
Lie down on their hand, just like that. Okay, ready? Here he comes. Watch out. Here comes the blue bullet.
A bullet. Oh, he's gone.
It's speeding up.
Quick for him. Not too fast.
Nice straight line too. Look at that.
Yay!
Good job, buddy.
Oh, now somebody has to go get him though. Oh. Okay. Whoa! She came with fire.
Look at the split.
Hey, Jane.
You got me.
So, leave a like. And also, subscribe. That's like, subscribe.
Is he gonna do it himself? Look at it. He's doing it. Good job, Anton. 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 Oh, she's doing jumps now. Oh, yes. My beautiful maiden. Look at Anton go. Yay, Anton. You got puppy. Still got a grin. Kids. Share your toys with the big kids. Oh, he's going by himself. He's going to see if he can go fast.
Watch Daddy go by himself, Anton. Maybe he needs you.
This might hurt a little.
Oh boy, a running jump. Okay.
This might hurt a little.
Whoa! Look at Daddy so fast.
He's swimming in the snow.
Good night.
I had to roll over. Are you worn out?
Yeah.
Got a cute little face there in the sun.
Oh, sneak attack with the snowball. Yahoo! Oh, I did not see that coming.
Hey guys, have fun.
Ah! Good job, Daddy. You rescued him.